Hey guys, I'm Jordan, and today I'll be talking about the SAMR model and explaining who was the mind behind the SAMR model, what each of the letters in the word SAMR stands for, and talking about various ways that we can use SAMR to improve the education in our schools. The creator of SAMR is Dr. Ruben Pentadura. The letters of SAMR, being S-A-M-R, stand for first, substitution, which is the process of substituting something non-technical for something more technologically advanced, but not actually changing the assignment at all. The A stands for augmentation, which is a process of, again, substituting, but in this process, you slightly improve the functionality of the assignment. The M stands for modification, which makes the tech allows you to significantly improve the design of the assignment so that it's more efficient and better for the students. The R stands for redefinition, which allows you, through technological advances, to create assignments that would previously be unheard of. Now let's take an in-depth look at the various categories that SAMR is made up of. First, looking at substitution. In substitution, the tech acts as a direct substitute for something that we would use previously. A prime example of this in classrooms would be using laptops or tablets to take notes instead of just writing them in our notebooks. This doesn't really change the process or the outcome at all, but it does let students use the technology and help them get more comfortable with the technology in their hands. The next letter of SAMR, being A, stands for augmentation. This represents a direct substitute to the process with slight improvement to the assignments. A prime example of this is using a smartboard instead of the old-fashioned overhead projectors. Smartboards are a lot cleaner and a lot easier to clean up after. They're a lot faster, and you can type notes, you can use graphics. In general, they're just a great improvement, and it makes it easier for the students to learn. M stands for modification. And modification means that there is a significant improvement in task design because of the advancements in technology. A good example of this is Google Docs, which allows students to collaborate and work together on papers. Whereas previously, you would have had to have everyone have their own copy of a paper, everyone do the corrections independently and compare their corrections. With the innovative design of Google Docs, all the students can look at the paper together and make improvements together, so they don't have to make them one at a time and just keep remaking the changes. The final letter in SAMR, R, stands for redefinition. And redefinition means the accomplishment of previously inconceivable tasks because of our incredible technological advances. A prime example of this is now the possibility of doing class co-ops, not just in your area, not just in your state, but from all around the world. Again, with the use of Google Docs, you could have people doing cooperative papers, cooperative group projects, presentations with students from all around the world. Because of these innovative new technologies, we're able to expand the world and create connections that we never would have thought possible before. In conclusion, SAMR is really a process in our schools today. Most teachers are still at the substitution or augmentation phases, but it's really important that they can advance into the modification and eventually even the redefinition phases. This has been a presentation on the SAMR model, and I hope you enjoyed it.